Hey guys, it's T. So excited to be with you guys today. And today we're reviewing Miche Beauty. I'm so excited to review Miche Beauty. Such a popular internet sensation amongst the naturals and the natural community. And I just want to give my 2 cents on it and see how the products work for me. And guys, I'm not going to delay it any further. So let's just skip ahead to the video and let's get right to it. Miche Beauty, here we go. Alright guys, so we're kicking things off with the Cleanse, Moisturizing, and Cleansing Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Yes, y'all. Alright, so the shampoo is thick. It smells so awesome. And for a sulfate-free shampoo, definitely it has a great amount of suddage. Yeah, so a little goes a long way with this shampoo. You're going to have a sud party. So you guys, as I say, just be careful when you go and use this shampoo. Just massaging it through, but I got such a luxurious clean out of it. Left my hair really soft and supple. I truly got the best of both worlds here. I normally don't get that. I either get moisturizing or I get cleansing, or one does better than the other. But this was a perfect balance. I didn't feel stripped. I actually felt pretty good and clean at the same time. So I'm just wringing it out here. Look at the springage, y'all. Okay, Miche. Look. Just look. Oh, wait, the scalp test, the scratch test. Wait. No dirt. Yes. I think we have a winner here. And look at the definition. Just look at everything. Yes. I'm loving it. All right. I'm done, y'all. Okay. And you know what's on when T does her happy dance? Yes. All right, guys, so let's kick it off to step number 2, the Strengthen Protein Deep Conditioner with Baobab Protein and Mango Butter. And it also is infused with hydrolyzed wheat proteins as well as other great proteins. Smells really good, nice and thick. We are part of thick product gang over here. And now I didn't inherently expect a lot of slip for a protein deep conditioner. However, it really did a great job bringing my curls back to life, and I got some slip out of it. So I actually got to say I was fairly pleased with it. And I thought about getting the Indulge Deep Conditioner, but I wanted to try the Protein Deep because I really was in need of a protein deep treatment. So definitely I would say this is pretty good, and maybe I might try Indulge in the future depending on how I feel. But so far so good. I gotta say I'm pretty impressed. Nice. All right, and then I'm just going to proceed to rake it through the rest of the hair. Kindly set it up, and then I'm going to wrap it up. And here we are. We've rinsed everything out. Got some coil action going on. Turn around to the back. The definition was okay. Now, I got a little more in the coils, but not so much at the top, but everybody knows why if you've watched T's World long enough. And I'm going to use the Lavish Leave-In Conditioner made with aloe vera and avocado oil. A thick leave-in conditioner at best. But let's just see how it performs. Alright. And what I like to do when I apply leave-in conditioners especially, I tend to work from the outside in. That's how I, get my moisture going. So when I work through the sections and in smaller sections, the product has time to work through that particular section and it makes it easier to go through. Now, it wasn't as much slip as I hoped for myself, but it actually came through in the end and the shine was there, definition was there. So overall, it was pretty decent. That's just my honest opinion. All right, and now that I've done my temp twists or my TTs To get that out of the way, I let it sit for a while, and then I'm going to proceed on to the next step. Okay, I'm just adding some water for a little more refreshing. And then we are going to move on to the quenched, hydrating, and twisting butter made with mango butter and, help me y'all, kapuku, something. Whatever it is. Sorry if I butchered it, but there we go. Very thick, very thick. Gotta love it. Love thick products. I'm like in seventh heaven right now. All right, and I'm going through, and then watch this, guys. Just wait, texture shot. Yes, here it comes, here it comes. And we didn't even brush it out yet. Oh, but wait. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. Watch. Just watch when I get that Tangle Tamer. Just watch. I'm telling you, y'all ain't ready. Watch this. Wait for it. Ooh, no, but really just wait for it. Wait. Woo! I'm done. All right, so I'm just gonna proceed through the twist, and the twisting butter actually performed pretty well as I was applying it, but I'm going to tell you more about it towards the end and what I realized with the twisting butter. So just going to twist all the way down, 2-strand twist, coils at the ends like I normally do. My funny faces. And then we're almost done here. Going to install my last twist, and then I am going to leave it overnight and let it do its thing. Well, before that, I'm actually going to seal it with some oil, the polished hair and scalp oil made with argan and jojoba oil, as well as sweet almonds and vitamin E. But I was really excited because not only do I love thicker oils, but argan is one of my faves. So I was really excited to get this oil, and it smelled beautiful too. Smelled like a very sweet candy or nectar. But yeah, the shine was definitely there, and I massaged it throughout my scalp, so this way it can really help with dryness as well as really sealing in moisture and protecting that scalp. There we go, massaging it on through. And like I said, I'm going to then proceed and leave it overnight. And then I'm going to show you the recap, which is going to be a few days afterward. All right? So I'll check you out over there. Hey guys, okay, so this is actually 5 days after I had released the twist. I had gone out with my best friend, and we had an outing to go to, and yeah, but this is it. This hairstyle, I'll actually show you. It's actually sitting a little higher than I had thought, but I mean, I wore it up a lot. So I would say for 5 days. I wouldn't see the back until later, but for 5 days it was not bad. I actually will get into it a little bit as I talk about the rest of the products, and then I'll give you my final take on it, as we always do around here. So all right, I'm gonna get into it. So the shampoo, I actually liked it. It felt kind of good. And I'd have to say, you know what? The shampoo was cool. It sudded up very quickly, very huge. I love when it suds up right away without the sulfates and things like that. So, you know what? I really have no qualms with the shampoo. However, I still don't think it's the best one I've tried, but I still feel like, yeah, it was still decent for what it's worth. I say it will probably be maybe second or third place so far for all the shampoos I've tried. All right, boom. Next, I do the Strengthen Protein Deep Conditioner, the strengthening one. And I gotta say, you know what? I didn't get as much slip as I thought I would, but I think with protein conditioners, that oftentimes comes with the territory. But after that, my curls really just instantly came back to life. I really felt that my hair was actually somewhat stronger than it was before. So I actually have to say that, yeah, I really liked the strengthening protein deep conditioner, and I would use it as a light protein as compared to, like, you know, the hardcore ones like Afro-G and stuff like that. So I will actually, you know, use that sometime in the future. So I have yet to try the Indulge, which is the Strictly Moisture one. Maybe I will, maybe in the future, let's see. But overall, cool. And then we're going to get to the leave-in conditioner. And the leave-in conditioner, at first I wasn't totally convinced, like with the slip, and it took a little bit. I had to be really generous with it. But then after a while I was like, oh, okay, yeah, it actually, you know, did what it had to do, and, you know, it looked pretty good, looked pretty solid. So the leave-in conditioner, I definitely wanted more slip out of it, to be dead honest with you guys, but overall it did its thing. All right. And then we get to the twisting butter. Now, the twisting butter, I did kind of read it beforehand, and I was like, okay, it's gonna give me like a softer hold. So I said, okay, but I hope it won't frizz up too much. But I did the twisting butter, and I was pretty generous with it. I noticed it instantly brought out definition in my hair. So I was actually pleased about it for the most part, but then I'll tell you a little more in the end. But so far, no really qualms about it until maybe, you know, what I'm about to say. And then lastly, I polished it off with the polished oil. I think this was my most favorite thing of the entire line, believe it or not. And I'm not like a big stickler for oils like that, but I gotta say, like, it really was lightweight. My hair just ate it up and just really embraced it and said, come here, we are one. We are family. So my hair loved it. Boom. All right. But overall, guys, I say it's not bad. In fact, my best friend couldn't stop complimenting me on the twist out. She loved it. I would say, like, if you're looking for a light hold or like a medium hold, this will be it for you. I did notice a bit of frizz, like especially in the front. You know, and plus I did my twist just a tad bit smaller this time around. In fact, I've been doing it for the last few weeks. But yeah, I noticed the front was a little frizzier, and my front does tend to go first. But overall, I think Miche was all right. I think with the twisting butter actually, like, you know, be right up there with like the two that I love so far. I would say it will be in third place in comparison to those two so far, or I think maybe fourth place. But oh, and the products smelled like candy. Love the way the product smelled. So I would say, guys, it's all right, and give it a go. At first I was a little worried about the products, but then when I saw the end results, how they performed, the products weren't bad. But guys, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna stop right here, but thank you guys so much for watching. I am totally happy to be serving y'all all these videos. And remember to ring a ding ding so you don't miss a thing. Hit the, well, first of all, subscribe to join the tribe. Also, yes, you need to ring a ding ding so you don't miss a thing. Click that notification bell down below. And guess what? You will not miss a beat when I post a treat, all right? And follow me on IG as TeasWorld93, where we also get it cracking over there too, all right? But I love you guys, T-Tribe. You guys are amazing as always. And this is me, T, signing out for now. And until then, until the next video, bye.